Just going to show you a video of what the car's like underneath these days. So this is a 2017 Suzuki with a very, very low mileage of 6,700 miles. So if you look at the underbody, there's no protection at all against rust or elements. Well, this one is extremely clean because it's not been used much at all. So almost bare metal everywhere. So what we recommend is to get this vehicle protected so it lasts for a long time. So as you can see, it's just no protection at all, but it is absolutely beautifully clean. And we'll show you what we've done to it and what we recommend. Very well worth doing. So if you're thinking of keeping a car for a long time, definitely get the car protected underneath. It'll stop it rusting and rotting away. Just investing in your vehicle, because we do see some horror stories. So we'll spray all that with underbody protection. We'll come back to you and show you what sort of a job we've done. Right, we're back to the Suzuki now that we've got it all under sealed, everything. So there we go, look at that. We've covered it all. The main components to worry about are really sort of the sills and the part of the chassis. This will just prolong its life. We suggest probably getting it done once a year, or at least once a couple of years. It'll certainly stop it rotting away. And it's not just for the bodywork as well, of course. All the brake pipes and all those will be protected as well. Any further information you want on this, please feel free to give us a shout. We'll happily get your car treated and protected for a long time.